Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anissa Samsudin and my friend Hasanati Rahayu. I will present the observation. Teacher's name Hasanati Rahayu. Course name Islamic Boarding School El Karim. Level 3 Junior High School. Number of student 15 student. Description of student. Girls 15 student. Student pay attention to the teacher explain. Answer the teacher question. Pay attention to the explain of the material and take notes on the explain of material. Student accept the extension of the group, are willing to work together and familiar with the group. Objective. The objective are to know the facial condition of the school in its influence on teaching and learning interaction. Skill focus, writing, speaking, grammar, structure, adverb, and forming adverb, vocabulary, greet, quit, and solve. Okay, then we will discuss the lesson from up. The time is 1 minute 4 seconds. Note, the teacher enter the room and greet with greeting. The student giving greeting to the teacher and read a prayer before starting the lesson process. The teacher calls one by one the student on the student attendance list. Okay, next is presentation. The time is 7 minutes 10 seconds. Notes, the teacher and student prepare textbooks and other learning equipment. After the teacher and learning equipment has been prepared properly, the teacher begins to motivate student and repeats the previous learning material. The teacher starts reading the text in the manual and the teacher explain the material previously recorded by student, so that students are clear about the material. Okay, next is practice. The time is 9 minutes 23 seconds. Not after student understand the material and the third start giving practical assignment to students by dividing into group. The last one is evaluation assessment. The time is 13 minutes 27 seconds. Now the teacher begin to instruct the student to collect the result of previous practice measurements. Then the teacher convey a literally description of the material in the upcoming meeting. Then the teacher and student try together to try to close the lesson and end with a closing greeting by the teacher before the student leave the class. Material about grammar focusing on writing and speaking skill. This can be solved from student discussion. The teacher starts the lesson on time in an orderly manner and regularly time there's enters the material to confirm what the lesson today. After the student answer, the teacher attend the student one by asking the previous material before entering the new material to confirm and remind student about the previous lesson so that they easily understand the new material. Learning goes very well because it is done face to face or offline, so that two-way communication can run effectively. Teacher can guide student directly and student can also get clear explanation without worrying about running out of time or signal problem. Student participate during teaching and learning activity. The teacher tries to explain the material to make it easier of student to understand by giving example sentence so that student can easier use the tense spoken by the teacher. The transition between activity went smoothly from the warm-up. The teacher asked the condition of student and give and is brick to make the learning atmosphere more fun and enjoyable. In 7 minutes, the teacher asked the student to write the material on the whiteboard. After the teacher explanation is finished, the group to student asked student to make a few sentences to know their understanding. After student discuss, the teacher asks again the result of the discussion. The teacher end the lesson by praising the student for their hard work and their performance vocabulary that has been written and learned. I think the teacher talks more than the student, but the student can follow the class with a good teacher's instruction. From this class activity, I can adopt class activity and vocabulary. I can learn how to make a class situation more fun and enjoyable. In this, my response praise the result of observation that I observed during the teaching and learning process. The teacher creative a conducive learning atmosphere to create such as atmosphere. The teacher make the atmosphere more relaxed and informal, which is done by the teacher by creating a very student who are bored or sleepy during the lesson. Teachers are also able to get closer to students, but with a multidisciplinary and interdisciplinary approach, then add some light humor so that students are more motivated to participate in the learning process. Does the teacher give an evaluation to students about the teaching and learning process at the time? Don't see the teacher giving an evaluation, only see the teacher giving praise to the student. Police, I hope the teacher can give an evaluation to the students, such as giving them an award from having followed the lesson that they very well and in an orderly manner. I want to know this class activity is going better than before. Okay, that's enough from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.